Hello, my dear first class students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and completing your homeworks day by day and watching all the videos which you are getting in your WhatsApp group. Yes, so welcome to our class. In our previous class, we have finished. We have started unit 2, right? Going to school. I said you to color this picture. Do you all color this? If you did not color yet, please color it, okay? Yes, we have finished. Ammu is going to school, right? We have seen different vehicles and also temple, church, mosque, everything, right? Yes, next year Ammu and Bittu are in the bus. When Bittu asked about that vehicle, Ammu said that it is a car, right? Then he sing the song. We have sang this song. It's like, here is the bus, it goes on the road, here goes the bus, pom pom pom, pom pom pom. Then, here is the car, it goes on the road, here goes the car, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. Yes, I hope you all listened it and they are singing also. Yes, good. So now, all open 24, page number 24. 24. Oh god. 24. Okay. Train is moving. Yes. 24. TWENTY. 20. FOUR 24. Okay. Yes. Open the page number 24. Here it is. What it is? It is my vehicle. Okay, what it is? My vehicle. Our lesson name is my vehicle. What you have to do here? Here it is a free space, right? What you have to do? You have to see here it is. Draw the picture of a vehicle you like. Name it, color it, and say about it. Okay, what we have to do now? Yes, we have to draw a vehicle which you like. I like car. What do you want to draw? If you want to draw car, see this and draw, okay? If you want to draw some other vehicle which you like, you can draw that vehicle and then you have to name it and then you have to color it, then you have to tell something about it. Okay, 3 things are there now. Drawing, then we have to name it, then we have to color it, then we have to tell something about that vehicle. Okay, yes. Here we have seen so many vehicles, right? Bus, car, scooter, bike, auto, jeep, lorry, ambulance, jeep, van, different kinds of vehicles we have seen. So I am drawing car here. What I am drawing? I'm drawing car. Okay. Yes. Let's start. For that, first what you have to draw? First you have to draw a circle, okay? Circle. First draw a circle, then same one more circle here. Okay, one circle and 2 circle. Second circle, okay? See, I am holding a mobile in one hand and then I am drawing, okay? If it is not good, don't laugh at me, okay? Yes, good. You are good students. You won't laugh at me, I know. Yes, next one more circle you draw in this, okay? 2 circles. Then what you have to do here? Draw a line. Okay? Draw a line till here. Okay? Draw a line. Then what you have to do? You have to draw a straight line here till here. Straight line. Then one more. Bring it here, okay? To your right. Then take it towards upwards. Are you all drawing? Draw. Then you have to bring this to your right, then draw it down. Okay, bring it down. Then here one more, then do it. Okay, first draw two wheels. They are wheels, right? Yes, two circles and then one more circle inside that. Then you have to draw this line, then you take it to the upper side, then to your right, then downwards, then to your right, then downwards. Right? Is it looking good? I hope it is looking good. Is it looking like a car? Yes, right? Yes, it is looking like a car. Now what do you have to do? We have to draw windows, right? Yes or no? Yes. Children, pause it and you can draw. Okay, now I am drawing speedily, right? So you can pause it and you can draw. Now what you have to do, you have to draw windows. For that, take a line like this, then one more. Windows in the sense the doors, right? We have two doors and four windows, that side and this side, right? Then one more, take it, yes, take it to the middle. Okay, then one more you draw here. Okay, and draw two rectangles here, so that what are they are door holders, right? We can open the door through this, right? Yes. Is it looking like a car? Yes, right? Here if you want to draw, you can draw a line. Yes. Yes, no need of this line. It is not looking good. It's good now. Okay, draw this. Then what you have to do, you have to color this, right? First you have to name it. What it is? It is a car, right? So what you have to write? It is a car. It is a car, right? Yes. Then what you have to do, you have to color it. Okay, color whatever color you want to color. I like red. I don't have colors with me, so if you have colors, draw it. Okay, got it? Yes, draw the color. Yes, it is a car. Then what you have to write? 1 point, then second point. What you have to write? What it is, say about it. So something, we'll write 2-3 points in it. Okay, yes, it is a car. It has how many wheels? It has IT 8. HS has, it has how many wheels? Yes, 4 wheels, right? Yes, FOUR 4, WHEELS wheels. Okay, it has 4 wheels. It has 4 wheels. Then where it runs? Yes, it runs on road, right? Yes, cars travels on road, right? Yes, so it runs on road. It runs on roads. More, what can we write? How many members can sit in one car? Yes, you all have car, I think so. Few people have car, right? Few people have bikes and all. So how many can sit in car? Yes, mostly 5 members. Let us think backside 3 and driver and then 1 beside him, right? So what is it? 5 members, MEMBERS, 5 members can easily sit in a car. Okay, children, pause it and you can write. Okay, no need of hurrying and all. Pause it and you can write slowly. Okay, what it is? It is a car. It has how many wheels? 4 wheels, and it has 4 windows also, right? But I am not writing here. We already know it. Then it runs on road, right? It runs on roads, right? Then 5 members can easily sit in a car. Then it is very useful, right? Sorry. It is very useful. Yes or no? Why it is useful? Why it is useful? Because if we go in car, we can save our time, right? If we go through, by walking, it takes so much time, right? If we go through car or some different means of communication, different means of transport, we can go very easily. We can save our time. Okay? Yes, it is very useful. Enough it. Right? If you see here, it is a space, so you can write car. Okay, car. So don't forget to color it. Okay, color any type of any color you color it. I like red, but I don't have colors with me now. If you have colors, color it. Okay, red or blue or something, whatever color you like. Yes, once again, it is a car. Then it has 4 wheels and 2 windows, and then it runs on roads. 5 members can easily sit in a car. Then it is very useful. How it runs? It runs through petrol. Okay, petrol or diesel. Not necessary, as you are small kids, right? You know it. You should know it, but no need of writing. These 5 points are enough. Okay. Yes. Next, coming here, 25, page number 25. TWENTY 20. FIVE 25. TWENTY 20. FIVE 25. Vehicles. Okay, here it is my vehicle and here vehicles. Bittu is asking Ammu about vehicles. Yes or no? Here Bittu is asking Ammu about vehicles, right? So what we have to do, say and write the names of the vehicles. So here they have given 1 2 3 4 5 6 vehicles, right? Vehicles are nothing but we can use them to travel from one place to one other place. Here already hints are given. See, a scooter, a jeep, a cycle, a car, an auto, a bus. Here we have pictures of it. Here already given one hint, one example is also already given. What it is? It is a bus, right? So a bus. Then we'll write remaining things. Okay. Now what it is? It is. What it is? It is an auto. It is auto, right? Yes, it is an auto. So what you have to do? You have to write its spelling. ANAUTO. Auto. Okay, an auto. Here you have an auto. Right here. ANAUTO. Auto. Yes, I'll give you. Pause it. Pause my videos and you can write. Okay. Yes, next one you see what it is. It is jeep, right? Jeep. Here you have a jeep. A JEEP. Jeep. A jeep. A jeep. Next one is already given. What it is? It is a bus, right? We all know bus. Yes. Next one, what it is, children? It is a. Yes, it is a scooter. One man is driving it. See here, it is a scooter. Where it is? See here, it is scooter. So what you have to write? You have to write a scooter spelling SCOOTER. Scooter. Tell it and write. Okay. Open your mouth. Tell the spellings. Tell each and every letter and write. Okay. Yes, a scooter. 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 Next one. What it is? It is car. We already done here, right? Yes, this car and this car is different, right? No problem. Draw it. Okay, I done it in the easy way. As you are little kids, right? You can draw it in the easy way. Car. ACAR. Car. C-A-R, car, a car. Okay. Then what it is? It is a cycle. You all have chotu cycles, right? Small cycles. Yes, right here. A cycle. C-Y-C-L-E. Cycle. C-Y-C-L-E. Cycle. By this we have written this all names of the vehicles, right? See here what it is. It is a jeep. A jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Tell after me. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Yes. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Then S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. Then C-A-R, car. Then C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. A-U-T-O, auto. So here, see, are you all observing one thing? See here, a jeep, a bus, a scooter, a car, a cycle. But here we have an. See here, an auto. Why? You know why? You don't know now, right? As your kids, you will not know it now because there are articles, okay? And a and the are articles which you will get it in your higher sections like second, third, and all, okay? And you know vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Okay, these 5 letters are vowels. What we call vowels, okay? Yes, so the word starts with these 5 letters, they will get an. See, A, auto, right? Auto, the word is starting with A, so we are getting an. Okay, the remaining all are not from these letters, that's why they are getting A. Okay, no need of this now. As your kids, as you're small now, as only you are in first class, yes, no need of this. In your higher sections you will get this, okay? Yes. Now fresh mind, only we have seen vehicles, okay? No need of this A-I-O-U, vowels and all, everything, okay? Yes, it is a jeep, bus, scooter, car, cycle and auto, okay? Yes, we have seen my vehicle and then we have written 5 points about it. Then we have seen vehicles. So enough for today. The next lesson is like places near Ammu school. We will see it in the next class, okay? Enough for today. So children, draw this and color it, okay? And then pause the video. You can write these sentences. If you don't want to draw car, if you want to draw some other vehicle, you can draw and write 5 sentences about that vehicle, not this, okay? Here we drew car, so we wrote about car. If you draw cycle or some other vehicle, you have to write about that vehicle. Got it? Yes, read the spellings and everything, okay? Yes, we'll meet in the next class. Take care.